How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can invite collaborators on Instagram. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to invite collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Then once you launch the Instagram app, go about creating a simple post as you would by tapping on the plus icon, selecting a photo or video that you might want to upload with this collaboration. Then after that, just hit the arrow icon again. Over here what you have to do is just tap on the button that says tag people. Once you tap on tag people, here you'll find the option called invite collaborator. Now keep in mind that many people may not be able to see this option. This happens when you have a private account, or even if it is a public account, it is a personal account. So if you're using a personal account, then you can try to switch to professional account. And if you're on professional account and you're not seeing this feature, then try to switch to personal and then come back to your professional account again, and you should most likely see this after you refresh the application. But after you find this, all you have to do is just tap on the invite collaborator option. Just make sure to enter the name of the collaborator that you want to invite in this case. Once you enter the name of the collaborator, you can see their name will basically show up here, and then just hit the check icon from the top right and then hit the check button again, and the other person is also going to get notified and they have to accept this collaboration in order to show it on both of your feeds. And this is how you can invite collaborators on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.